So my cloud storage of choice is Google Drive, and to do that, you're on the Google screen. You just click this little button. You click Drive, and then this will pop up. And in here, I have my EDCI 270 folder. And you just click on that with its easy access. Then I go to this course theme folder, and inside I have a couple of things saved: a PowerPoint, a justification for why I chose this theme, and then a JPEG that shows the orbits of the solar system. And then if I want to create a new document, I can just go here, scroll down to Google Docs, and then I just want a blank one. And then to add it to a folder, all I have to do is click File, and, well, I'm going to name it first, so let's go Solar System. And then this will pop up, and I can click Move, add it here. I want this to go inside my course theme, and then I can move that. And to share this file, I can just click here, add it to any links, or if I want to get a shareable link, I can do that as well.